What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video, and we need to continue to talk about Dogecoin because as we all see, we did take a dip in Dogecoin, but we are definitely not done here with Dogecoin. As you can see, we did go down to 35 cents, so that's pretty big for Dogecoin, but it's like we're not going to go anywhere below that. That's how I feel about Dogecoin. I mean, I'm not a financial advisor, it's not financial advice, but honestly, if we look at this, I really don't believe that we're gonna go below this low here, because our previous low was all the way back here. That was all the way back here at 34 cents, 0.3422, and now we're all the way up here, and now we're all the way up at 36.05. So we're back at 36 cents, but I believe we're gonna continue to go up for the day because of what we did in the previous days and how we actually traded in the previous days. Doge was pretty similar to in the previous days. Like, it would wait till midday to jump, and then it would finally do its big jump. But right now we haven't had anything like that yet. So I definitely believe that eventually we are gonna have that. Let's go back here and look at our previous days here. So let's get rid of this line here. Alright, let's get rid of this. Remove drawings. So as we can see with Doge, during the previous days, like, we would go up huge, but then we would stop and we would be stagnant for a few days. So this may be, we may be stagnant until later on today. But on Twitter, there is a rumor going around that around 420 something big is going to happen at that exact time. So around that time, something big is going to happen, and later on, Slim Jim will actually drop their Doge Slim Jim. So we're still here trending on Twitter. When we go over here, we see Doge420 on Twitter. So that's definitely really good. But as we can see here, look at this. Finance Insider, the Doge Army, investors of meme cryptocurrency Dogecoin, has declared April 20th Doge420 in an effort to boost its price, which was up 11.9% as of Monday morning. So we were up earlier, but we dropped. So we're definitely doing big things in Doge. But this is the Finance Insider. This is big that the Finance Insider is talking about Dogecoin. So this is really big for Dogecoin. They're big in the financial industry, so it's cool that they're hopping on the Doge wave here. But yeah, everybody needs to hop on the Doge train. We're going Dogecoin 420. This is what we're doing today. Look at this. Barstool Sports, they are with Doge. Yes, you heard it right. Barstool Sports, 2.8 million followers right here on Twitter. That is really big for Doge, actually. Look at this, 2.8 million followers. They just tweeted out to their 2.8 million followers. They tweeted Happy Doge 420. This is really big that they just now tweeted this to all their followers. And now people are definitely going to be looking at this and taking it a little more seriously. Even though Barstool Sports does a lot of meme stuff, this is really cool for Doge Day. And look right here, Happy Doge Day. They even put it on their blog site, Happy Doge Day. This is really big for us. It's a lot of big promotion here. So we're definitely happy with this, and I would definitely continue to be optimistic around Doge. I would not be too sad if you see your money go down a little bit. Even I'm down today. My money is at like 9,500 today. I was at 10.8k earlier, and I am not sad here. I'm just waiting for Doge to continue to go up. So we're definitely going to continue to rise here with Doge. Let's go back over here to our original Twitter feed and see who else is with us on Doge. So we have crypto news. We always have all of our Doge supporters here. Investing.com. Yes, the official investing.com just now tweeted Happy Doge Day. Dogecoin, Doge420. We are going to the moon with Dogecoin, so you might want to be on this rocket ship before we head to the moon, because we're going to go to moon and then we're going to go to Mars right after we go to the moon. So we're going to do a lot here with Dogecoin. Elon Musk has still not tweeted about Dogecoin yet, which is going to get people mad here. But we definitely don't need a tweet from him, but we would definitely like a tweet from him. It would definitely help us out a lot. But we're going to continue to rise here. Look at this guy. He has 112k in Doge. That is huge right there. So this is just a lot of money here in Doge. A lot of people have a lot of money in Doge. So it's not just $200 everywhere you see. Some people have 100k in Doge. So there's a lot of people right here with lots of Doge right now. So Dogecoin is going to continue to rise. We just need to stay put. We just need to stay inside of our positions and not hop out of our positions. We need to continue to rise here in Dogecoin, like this meme right here. We need to continue to rise. Everybody, even Anna Herrera, I don't know who that is, but yeah, she is with Dogecoin, whoever she is. So shout out to her for being with Dogecoin. And I'm seeing a lot of people have paper hands. A lot of people are jumping out of Dogecoin, and I don't blame them. But we kind of expected for it to dip a little bit. Like, we've been dipping a lot. Like, every single day we dip, but every single day we also jump. So it's just inevitable that we go up because we're just jumping after every dip. So we're doing really good here with Doge. May not look like it on the surface, but we are doing really good with Doge here. But yeah, now we're down to 36 cents. We're just out at 35. This is crazy right here with Doge. Let's look at the smaller view for this so we can see the more current trades. So yeah, it looks like from right here we're definitely going to go on an uptrend. I definitely believe we're going on an uptrend from here. If we don't, we're only going to retrace till about here. But yeah, this is definitely really crazy for Doge. We had so much growth in the previous day, so I would not be mad at this drop. This is a discount for a lot of people to get in on Doge. But yeah, we're definitely doing crazy numbers still here with Doge. But let's look a little further back here with Doge here. So let's look a little further back. This is what I said previously that we should be seeing. Let me pull out my line here. I said we would see something like this, but it would have to match with that. So I don't think we would go straight up like that. I think if Doge does do a little jump, it could be the biggest jump that we've seen yet. Like, we've just been stagnant right here at 36 cents. This is a lot of growth right here, but I definitely believe something huge is about to happen with Doge, because we're doing crazy numbers, and it's impossible for us to not do big things with Doge here. But like earlier, right over here, you can see around, this looks like it says April 19th. Yeah, April 19th around 7:36 a.m. we were at the same price. So yesterday around 7:36 a.m. we were at this same price. That is actually really big if you think about it, because this may be our resistance right here. We may be resisting here at 35 cents. It doesn't look like it wants to go below that, because as we see here, it does not want to go below 35 cents. And if we go all the way back to here, it also did not want to go below 35 cents back there. It went down to 34 cents actually right here, but it did not go below that. So we're definitely looking 35 cents. We are definitely looking at a good growth here. Let's go over here and draw our little line here. So we're looking like we're stopping here at 34 cents. But if it does continue to go down, how low do you really think it will go? Like, with all of this media attention, we have so much media attention right now, I don't think we can go below 34 cents. But that's just my opinion. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I have to say that. But if we do look over here, we see we only have $48 billion worth of market cap. We did have 51 billion yesterday, and then we just kind of kept going down. We're at 46 billion. I didn't refresh to my page for like an hour or so. So when I refreshed it, as you can see, we lost $2 billion right there. So we are at $46 billion with Doge. So yes, we are losing market cap, but this is a good dip to buy on. If you have any more money to put in Doge, I would say this could be a good time. I mean, you could wait a little bit longer to see if we dip any lower, but then you may miss a good opportunity. Let's look over here. Let's see how low you think we can go. So let's go back over here and remove these drawings here. So I really do think Doge can have, if we dip really low. Alright, so this is if we continue to dip. If we continue to dip here, we could see lows around here. So this could be our new low right here. And I'm just making a speculation here, and I'm not a financial advisor. But according to our resistance to our previous time periods, we could see lows anywhere from right here. From this is 25 cents up to 35 cents. So if we drop another 10 cents, that's something to think about if you want to hop out now. But I would not advise you to hop out now, because Doge is doing crazy things. Let's look over here and see what kind of potential we have here with Doge. Honestly, we have really good potential here with Doge. Like I'm saying, if we jump, we're gonna break out. That's what I'm trying to say here. We're gonna completely break out if we jump. Like, there's no up to 40 cents. It will go up to 50 cents here. I can't even scroll that high on my screen. Like, it's gonna be that big when you go into Doge. This is the full screen view. Let me back out of this. But yeah, it's gonna be that high when you're messing with Doge. I would definitely continue to watch Doge here. Doge is not a force to be reckoned with. You should definitely continue to watch this, because if we do hit 50 cents, that means we are eligible to hit 60 cents. And who say we're not eligible to hit $1? This is crazy growth right here. And as you can see, for the past few days, this is where I drew these lines. And I think that was actually a week. Let me go back here and look at here. So yeah, that's actually like a week's worth of growth right there. So us dipping just by a few, like this is actually a few days worth of growth, not even a full week. It's about 2 days worth of growth, and that's a lot of growth. So we definitely had to dip there. We had to come right back down to here. But I do not believe we're gonna go too low, because look at this. 25 cents was our last resistance. So if we do not go below 25 cents, then that means that we're going to continue to rise. So this could drop down to 30 cents, and I'm still going to be optimistic because I know we're going to continue to rise here. But it's just a little food for thought. It's something you should think about. You know, you should definitely take your own advice. We're hitting 34 cents here. We're about to hit 34 cents, but this is really big with Doge. Like, a lot of people are really scared right now. They put in like their life savings in Doge. I mean, I told everyone you do not want to put your life savings. Everyone told everyone to not gamble, and we said we're not financial advisors. And even the developer, the creator of Doge, said that you should not put everything in. Let's go over to his page and see what the creator of Doge said. So this is the official Doge page, and I want to find the actual creator though. Let's go over to the one guy. I forgot his name. Yeah, there he is. I don't even know how to pronounce that. So yeah, Satoshi Nakamoto. So I guess that's his name. He said, for real though, guys, keep some rationality when gambling on highly volatile assets like cryptocurrency. Euphoria is a hell of a drug, but no, at least keep paying your bills and feeding your family and have a safe rainy day fund. So this is really big. You guys don't want to continue to gamble on Doge and not know what's about to happen. So yeah, definitely know what's going on inside the Doge community. But he is still bullish with Doge. I would just don't be too in over yourself with this, because you gotta think, if Doge does drop another 10-20%, that's a lot of money lost. But it's going to be a lot of money gained once we continue to go up. And like I said, we just hit 34 cents, but I said we should not go below 34 cents. And like you see, we are retracing right back up because our resistance, this is our resistance. I do not believe that we want to go below this resistance at all. Doge just wants to keep rising. So we definitely will see some good numbers here with Doge. Let me go here ahead and clear these drawings. Let's see where our market cap is. So we were at $46.8 billion for market cap. And we're still at 46.8 billion. It probably didn't update yet, but yeah, no, we're at 46.7 billion. So yeah, we just now lost 100 million in market cap. That's bad right there. But we are growing with Doge. As you can see, it did not update completely, because you can see right here we're growing. We were at 34, now we're at 35.74. Now we're at 35.8. So we're definitely continuing to grow here. And if we look at this from another view, we could see how much selling and how much buying we have with Doge. So I like looking at the candle views. So like, look at these views here. So yeah, this is what we're seeing here with Doge. We're seeing a lot of selling at this point right now, but we are gonna start buying back. So we're gonna see more buy orders coming back in. Alright, so we're definitely gonna continue to see stuff. They are putting stuff on my screen now, guys. They're trying to stop us, but we will not let them stop us. Let's just go back here. Yeah, we're doing really good numbers here in Doge. I'll just close this one for now. But yeah, look at this. We are doing really good here. But we have to get our market cap back, so people have to continue to hold. We need to continue to retweet stuff on Twitter, and we really need to pick back up on Twitter, because look at this, Doge420, yeah, we're trending, but we need Dogecoin to trend. We need Dogeday to trend. We need everything Doge to trend. So we need to have a lot of trending here inside of Doge in order to get our money. Like, in order to get the money that you want out of Doge, you really need to make sure it trends. We all need to play our parts in this. I am playing my part by putting this video and giving it to you guys, and I'm playing my part. So now we all need to play our parts. So yeah, just play your part here. Investing.com, they're playing their part. Elon Musk needs to play his part and retweet something or tweet something original. Elon Musk, please play your part. We all need to play our part here with Doge. Drake needs to play his part. Big Draco, Soulja Boy needs to play his part. So yeah, we're definitely doing really big numbers here with Doge. We just need to continue to rise. But look over here at our Google Trends. As you can see, our trends actually went down for the past hour. Let's go ahead and refresh because we have been on this video for a while. Let's refresh and see where we're at now currently. So where we are now at currently, this does not mean that we're going straight down. No, it actually does not record the previous minute, and it was just 11:41, so it's not going to record 11:41. But officially, we are at 74 in search ranking right now. We need to be at 100. That means that we need to be searching for Doge. We need to be making Doge content. We need to be supporting Doge content. We need to be doing everything possible to make sure Doge is in front of everyone's faces. We need to tell our friends and family to buy Doge. Everything needs to be Doge for this day. This is 420. This is Dogeday 420. So we definitely need to continue to rise here at Doge. As you can see, we've been dropping a little bit. The attention has been dropping, and we've been losing money on Doge. Like, we need to continue to rise, so we definitely need some more help and support from the people out there, because without the people, we are nothing. But we're still losing money in Doge. Now we're at 46.2 billion. We were just now at 46.7 billion, and previously we were at 48 billion, and now we're dropping so much right now. This is kind of bad for Doge, but it's also good because we're weeding out the weak hands. So people are selling Doge right now, but the people that are selling Doge are selling it for cheap to us that are holding it. But we definitely need to continue to watch out and continue to make sure that we cover our losses. So if we continue to drop, we need to buy back in lower to lower our dollar cost average. So if we drop all the way down to 25 cents, we all need to make sure that we're not at 25 cents. Make sure that we buy in around 25 cents, and that make sure that we do not buy around 30 and up. But that's only if we go down to 25 cents. Now, if we do go down to 30 cents, I would definitely say that we're going to need to have a lot of trading volume right now. If we go down to 30 cents, we are going to need a lot more market cap, and that's going to take a lot more publicity. But we just now had so much publicity in Doge. So right now, I do not know what you want to do. Like, if you want to put your money in there, that by all means do it. I have all of my money in Doge, not completely all of it, but I just had 10.8k. I had $10,800 inside of Doge, and that actually went all the way down to 9,500 right now. But I do believe we're gonna continue to rise here in Doge. So you don't want to just be too pessimistic on this. Like, before I started this, I was at $9,500, and now I'm at $9,600. So we could continue to rise. It's just a matter of time. We just have to pay attention and know what we're doing here in Doge. We can't just act off of our emotions and sell when we know we don't need to sell. So definitely continue to watch Doge, and we need to continue to rise. Elon Musk needs to tweet, and we need to continue to push him to tweet. Maybe like message Elon Musk, tell him to tweet. Everybody send him a message and tell him to make a tweet. So like everybody needs to do something, anything that can make us continue to rise here with Doge. But yeah, maybe we could send Elon Musk a tweet ourselves here. I don't know if I should tweet Elon Musk because he won't respond. But let's just do it anyway to see if he responds. We definitely need to continue. But wait, he can't be messaged because he's too famous and he's too rich, so we can't message him. Oh man. But yeah, we definitely need to continue to rise here with Doge. This is too crazy. Let's check over here. I want to see where we are for Dogecoin 420. Oh man, we're going down inside of the rankings right now. This is not good for us. But we are going up in price. We're at 36 cents now. So if we continue to rise, we're definitely inside good waters right now. But this is not supposed to be speculative. You should definitely do your own research, and you should definitely know exactly where you want to get in and where you want to get out at. So where I want to get in at, if I do buy Doge again, would be around 35 cents, but we're back at 36.5. But we might not continue to drop, so actually getting it back at this point and averaging, like doing the dollar cost average, might be good for you. But it just all depends on your trading patterns. If you're a swing trader or a day trader, or if you have all your money already tied up in Doge. Like, I have a lot of money tied up in Doge, so I'm probably not going to dollar cost average. I've already done so much with my dollar cost average, then I'm just going to leave it and let it be. But yeah, definitely do something about this. Don't just let your money go to waste. Doge will continue to jump, so don't sell. You only lose money in crypto or stocks when you sell. But if you just hold it, it could go up. big, and if you hold it for a long time, it could go up way bigger. Just imagine Doge at $100. Like it would take a lot of inflation and a lot of money being printed into the market, like we just had. A lot of money just got printed into the United States dollar. We have so much new money inside of our market that this could actually bring our market cap up with Doge. Like we're at 46 billion, but imagine Doge at 146 billion market cap. That would be a lot. We wouldn't be at $100 quite. We would be at a few dollars right there, but that would be really good for us and really good growth. We can continue to grow with Doge. We just need to be optimistic here, and we just need to shoot for the stars with Doge. We need our whales to buy more, and we need to continue to just shoot for the stars with Doge. But yeah, in the past hour, we're definitely going to come up here. We definitely need to continue to rise with Doge. But yeah, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Invest at your own risk, and I hope everyone makes money here. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, and check out the link in the description for a free stock with Robinhood. You can also get you some Dogecoin on Robinhood, and I will be back with another video. Peace.